Hello everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis, and today we're going to review pet diapers. The ones I bought were from Magasin, and they're basically just a big old diaper, okay, and they work really well. One thing I did not like about the whole deal was that they came like this. In a clear plastic bag with just a label on them, so everybody that saw them knew that they were some type of diaper, not necessarily knowing that were dog diapers or whatever. So it was a little bit embarrassing, I should say. But the diapers themselves come in different colors. Package I got was green, blue, and purple. And see if I can do this one-handed. They open with the Velcro strips. Now, the ones I got did not have any way to adjust them other than the Velcro. But they open up, and you have a spot here for the tail to go through. They're fairly easy to put on. The absorbent part is on this part, so make sure that you put it on correctly, which would be this away. This goes underneath of her tail, and this goes on top. Fairly easy to put on. She doesn't mind them. Alright, these things are fairly easy to put on. You just kind of grab their tail, pop it through here. She doesn't mind it usually. It helps if they stand up, but like I said before, she has some trouble standing. So you get that around her tail. Put this part, which has got the diaper part in it, put that underneath of her legs. And then fasten it across the top. Now I'll have to make her stand up so I can get the other side. But once you get it, just kind of fasten it, put it on. She doesn't want to get up right now. Okay, and fasten it on, and that is how easily it goes on. And then you just adjust it to the spot where you want it. Like I said, they're fairly easy to get on. A lot easier to get on if she's standing up than if she's laying down. And we don't use them very much. I'm using them right now because I got the pee pads upstairs in the wash, and I have to have the rug protected just in case she has an accident. Okay, this is what they look like once they're fitted on her completely correctly. Now, some of them have little snaps like, so you can tighten this area up if you need it, which is nice. That this particular brand did not have those. It would have been nice to have been able to tighten that up just a hair. So if I order any more, I'll order the ones that have those little adjustable snaps. So if you're looking for them, look for those little snaps. I thought they were on this package and they weren't. But otherwise, they do a good job of protecting the furniture, the rugs, and everything else when a dog is either being potty trained or in heat or is old and has some problems or has a bladder infection. So I definitely recommend having these on hand just in case you need them. That's a good thing to keep in your doggy first aid kit or whatever, because they will also absorb blood and stuff. So if you have a wound, you can always put this over a wound, pack gauze on it to help it stay protected while you're getting the animal to the vet. So, a lot of good reasons to keep these in stock, to have them at least one set on hand for your dog. One other thing to remember is that just like a regular diaper, it needs to be changed every 3 hours, and make sure that you don't get them on too tight. You want them just snug enough that they stay on the dog, but you don't want them overly tight. You should be able to get your fingers between the waistband and between the leg bands without any trouble. And remember, just keep checking them. They do not recommend that you use them overnight. So put your pee pads down, put them in a crate or wherever you have to at nighttime if you have a big problem. And remember, follow that dream big and follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye everybody. Bless you.